First of all, guys, preview this video. Noises can scare them more than you realize. Many cats dislike belly touches. Their stomach is a very sensitive area. Tight hugs may feel loving to you, but for cats it can feel stressful. Cats are very clean animals. A dirty litter box can really bother them. Take a look at this cat niche channel. The first thing you'll notice is the thumbnails of these cat videos. This entire channel is focused only on cat-related content. If we talk about the videos, there are many uploads with millions of views, and quite a few videos have more than 800,000 views. Many others are already in the hundreds of thousands. Now, if we talk about what the creator actually does on this channel, the idea is very simple. The creator explains different things about cats. If we look at the subscribers, this channel has around 58,000 subscribers. According to Social Blade, the estimated monthly earnings are between 1.5K and 23K. And in the last 30 days alone, the channel gained 5.8 million views and about 56,000 subscribers. So you can clearly see the potential here. Now guys, I have already prepared a master prompt for you called Wildcat Story Video Generator. This master prompt includes all the steps needed to create these videos automatically. Let me quickly explain the steps. Step 1 is generating viral video topics. Step 2 focuses on character importance and consistency. Step 3 is the visual. After that comes the viral hook. And finally, everything is combined together. All you need to do is copy the master prompt. After copying it, open ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and click Generate. Once you click Generate, ChatGPT will first give you 10 viral topics, then it will generate the scenes. After that, the image prompts, then the video prompts, and finally the voiceover script, so you can see how a single prompt can generate the entire video production plan automatically. The prompt link will be available in the description, so don't worry about that. Now guys, as you can see, ChatGPT has already generated everything for us. The next step is image generation, and I'm going to show you a new tool for that. Today we will use a tool called Flow AI Image Generator. Flow AI currently allows you to generate images using Nano Banana 2 and Nano Banana Pro, and at the moment it is still completely free. First, I select the model. Then I choose the aspect ratio, which in this case is portrait. Next, I upload a character reference image, basically a screenshot of the cat character we want to keep consistent. After that, I go back to ChatGPT and copy scene step 1 from the storyboard. I paste that into Flow AI, then I return to ChatGPT again and copy the first image prompt. I paste that prompt into Flow AI as well. Now I simply click Generate. As you can see, the image generation process has started. Flow AI currently allows unlimited image generation using Nano Banana models, and as I mentioned earlier, it also supports video generation. After a few moments, the first image is ready. You can see the result right here. The text at the top says 10 things that secretly hurt your cat. Cat character and the visual composition look amazing. Simply download the image in 2K resolution. Then we repeat the same process for the second image. Go back to ChatGPT, copy scene 2, paste it into Flow AI, then copy the second image prompt, paste it, and click Generate. Second image generation will start, and within a few seconds, it will also be ready. This process is extremely simple and requires almost no effort. You just repeat the same method for scene 3, scene 4, scene 5, scene 6, scene 7, scene 8, scene 9, and scene 10. There is no need to change anything. Just copy the prompts and generate the images. After generating all the images, download them all in 2K resolution. Now we move to the next step, which is video generation. The tool we are going to use for this step is also free. The tool is called Meta AI. Meta AI is a very powerful platform owned by Meta, the same company behind Facebook and WhatsApp. First, open the Meta AI website and log in with your Facebook account. Once you log in, you will see a plus icon. Click on the plus icon, then select Create and choose Image to Video. Next, upload the image you generated earlier. Then go back to ChatGPT and copy the video scene prompt for that image.
Paste the prompt into Meta AI and click Animate. Now the video generation will start. Within a short time, the first animated video will be ready. Our main goal here is not just to teach animation. The real goal is to help you earn money online. Many channels are already using this method to generate millions of views and make money in dollars from home. As you can see, the first video is ready. In the preview, you can see the cat jumping while a cleaner is running nearby. The animation looks very smooth and engaging. Meta AI can even generate small sound effects automatically. Now we repeat the same process for the second scene. Click Create, select Video, upload the second image, copy Scene 2 video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Meta AI, and click Animate. Within a few moments, the second video will also be ready. If you want, you can also modify the prompts. For example, if you don't want a cat character, you can ask ChatGPT to change the character to a dog or any other animal. ChatGPT will automatically rewrite all prompts with the new character. As you can see, Meta AI has now generated the second video as well. Just repeat the same process for Scene 3 to Scene 10. One important tip: always start a new chat in Meta AI when generating the next video. If you keep generating inside the same chat repeatedly, you may hit a usage limit. Now the next step is voiceover generation. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the voiceover script. Then open the text-to-speech tool we are going to use, which is ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs provides about 10,000 free credits when you sign up. After logging in, select Text-to-Speech. Paste the script into the text box and adjust it scene by scene. Then go to the voice selection menu and choose the Roger voice. Finally, click Generate. Within a few seconds, your professional voiceover will be ready. Now we have generated all the images, all the videos, and the voiceover as well. The final step is video editing. The final step is video editing in CapCut. So guys, the final step is CapCut. Simply open CapCut. After opening it, import all the videos and the voiceover into the project. Once everything is added, the first thing you should do is place the voiceover on the timeline. After that, start adjusting the voiceover and bring the videos onto the timeline one by one. Now match each video scene according to the voiceover narration. Adjust the clips so that the visuals perfectly follow the voiceover. After aligning the videos with the voiceover, you can make the video more engaging by adding transitions, scene cuts, captions, and small effects if needed. Once everything looks good and your video is ready, simply export the video in 4K resolution. And that's it. Your video is complete. Today you saw how we created a full video using completely free AI tools. So guys, you just need to create a channel like this and start uploading videos consistently. You'll see how quickly your channel can grow within just 1 month. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel.